In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional social media manager portfolio for free on Canva. We'll keep it simple, clear, and completely beginner-friendly, so you can walk away with a polished portfolio that showcases your work and wins clients. Start by opening Canva and heading to the Templates section on the homepage. Templates give you a ready-made structure, which saves time and helps you focus on the content that matters. Once you're on the Templates page, use the search bar and type Social Media Manager Portfolio. This narrows the results to layouts designed for our exact goal, so you're not starting from a blank page. Take a moment to browse through the options. Open previews to see how many pages each design includes and whether it has spots for case studies, metrics, testimonials, or services. Check that the overall style matches your brand vibe. Clean and modern usually works well. If you're on the free plan, look for designs labeled as free. When you find a template you like, click it and then select Customize this template. This opens the full layout in the Canva editor with all pages ready to tweak. Now the fun part, editing. Rename your project so you can find it later. Update the cover headline with your role and niche, and add a brief value statement, like the results you help clients achieve. Replace any placeholder text with a short bio, your services, and the platforms you specialize in. Adjust colors and fonts to fit your brand. If you don't have a brand kit, just set a simple color palette and stick to 1 or 2 fonts for consistency. Populate your portfolio pages with real examples of your work. For each case study, outline the client's context, the goal, your strategy, what you executed, and the results. Whenever possible, include specific metrics such as growth percentages or engagement improvements. If sharing client data, make sure you have permission and avoid revealing sensitive information. You can anonymize logos or blur private details if needed. Replace stock visuals with your own images, content mockups, or screenshots of posts and reports. Drag and drop photos into frames to keep everything neatly aligned. Use Canva's elements to add simple icons or charts and keep them legible. Maintain consistent spacing, margins, and heading styles across pages. Duplicating a well-formatted page can help preserve layout harmony. Finish by reviewing every page for clarity, spelling, and visual balance. Read it from a client's perspective. Does it clearly show what you do, how you work, and the results you get? That's it. You clicked Templates, searched for a social media manager portfolio, browsed, customized, and fully edited your design, all for free in Canva. Follow along, pause as needed, and build a portfolio you're proud to share.